2019 question, well, I might as well do 8. Let's do 8 first. Michigan Game Day Apparel is a privately owned company. We have $3 million in perpetual debt. Interest rate is 8%. The company has 4 million shares and anticipate the following EBIT over the next 2 years: 80 and 90 million. The corporate tax rate is 25% and the cost of equity is 12%. Compute earnings per share. Okay, here's the last problem. Let's start a new page. All right, so we only really need EBIT for year 2 because that's what the question asks. So let's start with that. We are going to have to pay taxes, and the taxes are going to be at 25% rate. I don't know why I did that. The whole point was to reference that cell. Okay, so this is the post-tax profit. Oh, one thing that we don't have in here is interest expense. So we have EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. If we have perpetual debt, oops, let's add a few rows. Our perpetual debt is 300 million, and our interest rate on that debt is 8%. So that means that our interest expense is 300 times 8%, which means that our taxes are computed on, let's do this, hold on, pre-tax profit Okay, so our post-tax profit is 49.5 million, and we have how many shares? 4 million shares outstanding. So that means earnings per share is going to be that divided by, oops, I get it. Let's add a fancy line there. Earnings per share is $12.38. And that is E on this test.